The Mig-29 Fulcrum, a Soviet legend built for speed, agility, and raw power. Designed in the late Cold War, it was made to challenge NATO's best fighters. Powered by twin engines, the MiG-29 rockets past Mach 2 and performs extreme maneuvers that few jets can match. Its thrust-to-weight ratio makes it perfect for close dogfights. Armed with a 30mm cannon and air-to-air missiles, it's a pure air superiority fighter. Pilots use a helmet-mounted sight for rapid target locking, revolutionary for its time. Still flown today by several nations, the MiG-29 remains a formidable opponent with upgraded avionics and weapons. From the Cold War skies to modern conflicts, the Fulcrum's reputation endures. For more iconic jets and aviation legends, follow now.